Here's a two-door Chevy pickup. We just finished doing the install of the Autopage basic alarm, lock and unlock, flashing lights, honking horn. We also did something extra on this truck. This truck has a manual windows, manual door locks. Let me grab a flashlight to show you. There's the handle. No switches on the door. We converted it from manual to power using the alarm system. Locks the doors, unlocks. I'll show you the passenger side. Same thing. Lock, unlock. Test it on the outside. There, they're locked. Hit unlock. Opens them up. When the alarm system is locked, you have a red flashing light right by the window. If the truck is hit or any of the doors are opened, it will fire it off. This one's all set. Give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. We'll hit it. There you go. Innovative car sound, Autopage basic alarm, lock and unlock, installed, new body Chevy 2007 to 2013.